हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। मेरा नाम भारती पुरी है और इस वीडियो में मैं आपको बताऊंगी कि मैंने ये मेकअप लुक कैसे किया इस वीडियो में। एंड ऑन टॉप ऑफ दैट आई विल बी यूजिंग वन आई शेडो पैलेट विच इज़ करंटली माय फेवरेट एट द मोमेंट। तो उस आई शेडो पैलेट से मैंने ये आई मेकअप क्रिएट किया है। ये मेरा फेवरेट आई मेकअप लुक है दीज डेज। So I hope you guys like it. And before we move on to the मेकअप ट्यूटोरियल, प्लीज़ डोंट फॉरगेट कि आप सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कीजिए मेरे चैनल में। इट वुड रियली मीन अ लॉट टू मी। सो सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और बेल आइकॉन दबाइए सो दैट आपको नोटिफाई मिले जब भी मैं एक नया वीडियो अपलोड करूं। ऑन टॉप ऑफ दैट आप कमेंट कीजिए, आपको जो भी कमेंट करना है। आई लव टू चैट विद यू गाइज इन द कमेंट सेक्शन एंड डेफिनेटली गिव दिस वीडियो अ थम्स अप। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग एंड आई विल सी यू गाइज नेक्स्ट टाइम।
So this is the Pro Supreme eyeshadow palette in the shade Allure palette from the Revolution Pro brand, and this is easily available in Nykaa and other websites as well. I'll put all the links down below. So right now I'm swatching all the shades on my hand. These are from light to dark shades I'm swatching, and as you can see that these shades are very well pigmented. But the only problem that I've been having from this eyeshadow palette is that it's a very powdery formula, so there's going to be a lot of fallout. So what I suggest is that what I really like to do is do my eye makeup first, and after I'm done doing my eye makeup, then I like to move on to the whole base makeup rather than base first and then eye. So yeah, starting off with the blank face, I'm going to be doing my eyebrows first using the new Nykaa eyebrow pencil. Very affordable and very good. Highly recommend this one. And then I'm using the LA Girl Tint Brow Gel. As you can see, the spoolie of this brow gel is super tiny, so I really like that it's easy to use. So that ways I like to set my eyebrows. Then I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer as a eye base. So I'm just going to be using as a base for the eyeshadows that I'm going to be applying now. So I'm going to be using the lighter shade to powder my whole eyelids just to set the whole base for the eyeshadow. And as you can see, it's very powdery. Then I'm using a Real Techniques eyeshadow brush and just making a nice crease line. Just starting off with that using a purple shade. And after I'm done doing that, as you can see, there's a lot of fallout, but it's very easy to clean it up using a powder brush. Then I'm using the dark shade and I'm using that again, as you can see, and I'm just taking my time and building up the colors slowly. And at the same time, I'll be using a different brush just to blend out the harsh lines. And I'm going again back to the purple matte eyeshadow from the same palette and just again putting some color back and blending it with the black color. Then I'm using the Nykaa Eye Bold Kajal. It's a very creamy kajal, and I like to use this as a base for the glitter eyeshadow that I'll be applying using my fingers. So I'm using a smudging brush just to smudge out the whole creamy kajal. Once I'm done doing that, there's a very beautiful, this is the shade, it's a very glittery purple shimmery shade. It's very beautiful. So as you can see, the color is just applying exactly how you see on the palette. So it's very beautiful, and especially when the light reflects, it's even more shimmery and kind of reminds me of the galaxy kind of, universe kind of color. So again, I'm using the black eyeshadow just to blend out the crease area. Now I'm moving on to the mascara. This is the Badgal mascara from Benefit Cosmetics. It is slightly expensive, but it's one of my favorite mascaras. Then moving on to the lashes. Cannot do any kind of dramatic eye makeup look without lashes. Lashes are very important to complete the whole makeup look, if you ask me. Then I'll be using the NYX white eyeliner to eyeline my waterline. just to make my small eyes look bigger with the white eyeliner. Then I'm using the black eyeshadow again from the same palette using a small smudging brush. And once I'm done applying the black eyeshadow as a base, then I'm just wetting my smudge brush and then applying the purple glittery eyeshadow on top of the black eyeshadow that I applied. And as you can see, I've not applied it all over my lower lash line, just halfway through. That ways it makes my small monolid eyes look bigger that ways. And now finishing this whole eye makeup look by applying mascara on my lower lash line. And ta-da! The eye makeup look is done. The whole look is done. And I topped it off with the whole look by applying a pinkish brownish nude lipstick. All the information of whatever products I've used in this makeup tutorial will be down below in the description box. Highly recommend you guys to definitely check out this eyeshadow palette. It's one of my favorite, and as you can see in the photos also, I'm loving how beautiful it looks. The whole color, it's very colorful. It's great for smoky eye look. So you can like recreate this eye makeup look for a wedding, party, reception, for any kind of party occasion. You can definitely like try this out. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you really liked it, then please don't forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up and comment down below. I will see you guys next time now. Take care.